Hello cows. It's a bit blowy. Bit of a fly with my Goggles X. Recently rebuilt Volador II. This is the VD5. We're running some meps gear. Recently did a build of this. Check out my videos, you will see that build. Full build from scratch. Flown this once. A bit windier today, I haven't flown it here before. Some power lines I've got to look out for. I'm just going to take it over there. And I really want to see how the Goggles X perform with their 4 stock stubby antennas. That's my job for today. So far I'm really happy with these goggles. I do have a Walksnail patch antenna for the front, which I don't want to put on until I've had a good solid workout with these 4 stubbies. I want to see if I get actual better penetration or range with the patch antenna. Let's get going. Okay, let's head out, avoid those power lines, have a fly around. Okay, straight away I'm just going to get some altitude because I want to clear those power lines. And the wind's really strong. It's pushing me this way, the wind, so coming home is going to be quite easy. But heading down is a little bit harder. See how we go with battery power. Everything's recording. 79 meters, 80 meters. Right. Fly around down here. Spot for a penetration test here because it does dip down into a bit of a hollow here, so I'm sort of expecting some black spots. We'll fly around, looks like some construction going on. Hopefully everybody's gone home in case we have a system failure. Pretty gentle on the sticks at the moment. Don't want to push it around too far. This 5S pack I've got on at the moment isn't all that reliable, so I've got a bit of an alarm coming up at the moment. 700 meters away. Find that black spot I was talking about. Oh, look at the wind pushing us now. Right. Certainly be a nice black spot down in those buildings down there. 2.2 volts, yeah, this battery. Need to be careful to watch out for power lines. Issue with black spots at the moment at all. These 4 stubby antennas are doing a terrific job. Some nice power lines there I want to keep away from. There's a bit of a transmission problem just there. 700 meters. Remarkably well. And right up on the hill up there, so I've been let down by my power supply. Let's have a look over here at the dam over here. Power line. Alarm going there. It's really windy now. I might just settle down a bit. It's really choppy. Yep, now she's windy. Really windy, and I've got some power problems. Alright, successful flight, a little bit twitchy, a little bit windy. Let's just land it and have a quick yarn. Catch. Well, there you go, guys. A nice little fly around, albeit a little bit too windy for me today. However, I did fly around 800 meters. Yeah, the stubby antennas perform really well. It's getting a little bit of drop out right on the far side of that shed over there, which is expected. And then it just got a little bit too windy and I had to bring it home. I've got a new pack coming. I've got a 6S coming for this and a couple of new 5S's. Like I said, this one doesn't really last very long. It's been thrashed around a fair bit. I'll take my 6S out to my favourite long range spot and exactly see, I'm hoping to push around 3 kilometres with it. Any questions, please ask. I'll see you again soon. GTARC. See you in the sky. Bye for now.